If you don't want to be left alone in the sea of deals, use Logic Buy, the best site for online promotions. The Hot or Not voting system allows users to first see the hottest deals offered on the web. Once inside a deal, you can rate it from 0 to 5 or compare its price with other websites' prices. With Logic Buy's RSS feeds, you can get all the current deals 24/7 without any hassle. This way, you can start saving the very second you receive your feed. So don't wait, visit Logic Buy where shopping is fun.